Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your hotspot name on an Android phone step by step. Let's get started. First of all, you have to unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Here you have to tap to the network or connections. This may vary depending on your phone. In my phone, it's hotspot and tethering. Here you have to tap on the hotspot settings. Now you have to configure hotspot and just go to the name. And here you can change it and tap on OK. You can also change the password as well by just tapping on the password and tap on OK. You will see an option security and AP band as well. And after entering the new name, tap on save. Here you have to tap on click and it's now updated. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi hotspot will now appear with a new name when others try to connect. You can also change your hotspot password from the same settings for better security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.